Today, in quite possibly what is my worst video idea yet, I'm going to be climbing that mountain in these 3D printed shoes. And for my viewers with a shorter attention span, I've prepared a visual metaphor to let you know exactly what to expect from this video. Oh my God! Still here? Good. You know, I'm something of a masochist myself. So I found a design I liked, loaded it into the printer, and after a whopping 70 hours of print time and almost 2 pounds of TPU, I had shoes. I had done a test fit at home just to make sure they actually fit on my feet, but what you're watching is literally me putting on the shoes for the very first time. And it's right about now that I'm starting to realize this isn't a regular bad idea, this is a nuclear grade bad idea. So I did what any responsible, intelligent adult would do. I called the whole thing off and I went home. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate you watching.
Hey, no, it's not over.
What do you mean?
There's still more video.
There's more? Look, any of my fellow vets out there will tell you that sometimes you just have to embrace the suck. And I wasn't about to back down now with all of the time and effort that I'd put into this. I packed a full first aid kit and an extra pair of shoes, so if I was ever in real danger or running the risk of an actual injury, I could just swap shoes and head back down. But the goal is to summit Flat Top. 3 miles, 1,300 feet, 3D printed shoes. All right, it's a beautiful day up here at Flat Top parking lot. Let's try these things out. Right off the bat, I already got a wear point. I can feel it on my right ankle. I'm concerned because I'm barely out of the parking lot. Yeah, that's blood. This is gonna be rough. This is not good. I've already got wear spots forming on my ankles and I've only gone half a mile. This isn't great.
Oh, my mic wasn't recording and I needed to stop to put a band-aid on, so I wrote this song to fill in the space. This is my putting the band-aid on song.
I can feel them. They are rubbing. It's gonna be a long hike. I had to stop for a second because I think I got a rock in my shoe. Oh, how'd that get there? This sucks. This sucks. This is not fun. Why did I do this? This is not fun. I don't know if you can see it from here. That flag up there. That's our destination. That's where we're gonna make it. All right, let's do a shoe check. They seem to be holding up just fine. Let's do a foot check. The things I do for YouTube. Why did I do this? This was a terrible idea. Who hikes in 3D printed shoes? This was dumb. I think I got the fit right. I wouldn't want them any larger. They're tight around the ankle. It's chewing up my foot. This isn't fun. I wouldn't want to do this again, but I'm determined to make it to the top. We're gonna get up there one way or another. My feet hurt, and I won't lie, I'd love to turn around. The end is in sight. That flag right there, that's where we need to get to. We can't quit now. We gotta make it all the way. Oh. This is tough. Am I the first person to ever climb Flat Top in 3D printed shoes? The world may never know. Now I gotta get back down this. Made it. Now time to get these things off my feet and assess the damage. This is no good, man. And just like that, the question's been answered. Can you hike in 3D printed shoes? Technically, yes. Is it a good idea? No. But did we learn something along the way? Also no. Thanks for watching.